it's July 3rd, 2023, and the little lambs haven't been here quite a week, and they've got this all chewed down. So nice. They've got a mineral protein block there. You can see them sticking their heads in it. They just love that. They'll stand there and eat out of that for a long time. And then they'll go eat the grass and they eat weeds. The only thing they won't eat is the thistles. They don't care for thistles. But you can see them. That one's getting a drink right there in the stream. That one's getting a drink. There's a bunch over there. There's some way down by the river. Looks like we're gonna get, it looks like rain. Looks like rain possible. You see how low the river is? You can see the rock sticking out now. So I'm just glad that the pump's still pumping. But they've been standing there for over 10 minutes now, licking in that mineral protein tub. There's Kitty. There's the waterfall. So now here comes one. It's looking for a drink, I think. After they have that protein and mineral, then they get thirsty. Oh, there's one crossing the bridge, across the bridge. No. I think this one wants a drink, but it's... There's quite a few of them down there. You see their backs. When they got here, you couldn't even see their backs. You could just see the grass moving. And look at what they've done in less than a week. Pretty interesting. And there's a lot more. You can see over that way. There's a lot more grass for them to eat. They jumped down right there to go to the further down. There's one gonna jump, I think. Here comes one. Maybe it's coming for a drink. Or maybe it's coming for the tub of mineral. Let's see. Oh, coming for the tub. It comes one across the bridge. Sheep don't really like to cross water, so if they can avoid it, they'll either not cross at all or they'll cross on that little bridge because they just don't like getting their feet wet at all. This morning they got out and they were on the other side of the driveway. They were still in a fence, but it's a fence that goes down into the gully, and so we didn't want them there yet. So I was able to chase them back over here, and fix the fence, fix the gate where they got out. See them down there by the water? There's some dark clouds moving in. Tomorrow's the 4th of July and it's supposed to be thunderstorms. So, it looks like it's going to happen. We can use more rain. There's my little pond fountain. Here comes another one. Looks like she's coming for a drink of water. Nope, there she goes over the bridge. Cute. Well, she's gonna get a drink. Oh, they're jumping down. Think that one's gonna jump? There they go. Down by the river. There's a lot of them down there now. They're gonna get that looking just like a park down there. Comes one for the bridge. Here comes the black one. All the two black ones are together there. What are they gonna do? Oh, here comes some more. They were resting, but they go up by the house, put their back on the back side of the house, and I think it keeps the bugs away from them somewhat. And then they go down. Oh, somebody's getting a drink. I might have to move that bird. Kind of in the way. Getting a drink. Yeah, I think that bird's got to be moved. That's where they like to get a drink, right there. They're getting a drink there too. This one's scratching her head. Well, you have a wonderful day and a happy 4th of July to you.